Well, Lilly is revealing the first of 4 new U.S. manufacturing sites, and it will be in Virginia. So this $5 billion site will specialize in making active pharmaceutical ingredients and drug product for Lilly's cancer and autoimmune disease medicines, as well as other advanced therapies. So the new factory will give Lilly the ability to make targeted chemotherapies or antibody drug conjugates for the first time. And the goal here is twofold: creating new manufacturing capacity and bringing more of that manufacturing work in-house. Lilly CEO Dave Ricks telling me that during the pandemic, when Lilly was making large amounts of monoclonal antibodies, the company decided that it wanted to control more of its manufacturing supply, and the lower U.S. tax rate helped entice Lilly to do that here in the U.S.
We went 40 years without building an API site in the U.S. because corporate tax rates were at 35% and they were as low as 15% in other markets, and it made sense, and it's our responsibility to produce income for our shareholders, to locate API facilities elsewhere. When we had the Tax Cut and Job Act originally, and now the new permanent 21% base rate tax rate, now that difference is marginal, and it makes more sense to build in the U.S. than ever before.
Remember, back in February, Lilly announced that it would spend $27 billion on these 4 new sites, bringing its total manufacturing investments to $50 billion since 2020. And this might take a little less time than the industry standard of about 5 years, since the land has already been partially developed. But it's still after President Trump's term. And on tariffs, Rick says he's watching the headlines just like the rest of us.
No matter what the scenario is, it doesn't really change our math in a big way. So, mostly we're just focused on do what we need to do, build out our supply chain, create that balance and redundancy I spoke about so we can always have medicines available to patients, and take advantage of the lower corporate tax rates in the U.S. and build here closer to home.
Obviously, he'd rather not see any tariffs, and we're still waiting to see exactly where the administration lands with those guys.